In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your lost tabs in Google Chrome. We all know how frustrating it can be when you accidentally close a tab with invaluable information, or perhaps an entire window with several tabs you meant to keep open. Fortunately, Chrome has a simple, often overlooked feature that can save the day and restore your browsing session to its former glory. So, let's dive right in and learn how to reclaim those lost tabs effortlessly. To begin, make sure you're in your Google Chrome browser. Right at the top of the browser, you'll see the tabs bar where all your active tabs are lined up. Now, suppose you've just realized you've closed an important tab by accident. Instead of fretting, move your cursor to this tabs bar and simply right-click. You should see a drop-down menu appear, and among the first few options, you'll find Reopen Closed Tab. Click on this option. Chrome will then reopen the last tab you closed, restoring whatever content you had on it just moments before. This feature is particularly useful because it works even after you've closed multiple tabs. Say, for example, you've accidentally closed an entire window or just kept closing tabs thinking you didn't need them, only to change your mind later. By continuing to right-click on the tabs bar and selecting Reopen Closed Tab, you can step back through your tab history, reopening the tabs you closed in reverse order, one by one. It's almost like an undo button for your browser tabs. Keep in mind that this feature can only retrieve tabs from the current browsing session. If you've closed tabs and then shut down Chrome completely, your ability to recover tabs through this method might be more limited. However, Chrome does often save your browsing history, which means there could be another way to recover those tabs through your history if needed. A handy tip: if your keyboard is within reach, take advantage of the keyboard shortcut too. By pressing Ctrl+Shift+T on Windows or Command+Shift+T on a Mac, you can quickly reopen your closed tabs, making the process even faster and seamlessly allowing you to continue your browsing without missing a beat. So, there you have it. Next time you accidentally close a tab or several, don't panic. Just remember these quick steps and you'll be back on track in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this little trick helps bring peace to your browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.